Hi Drastic Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw an e-girl, so let's get started. To draw this e-girl, let's first start by drawing her face. So I'm going to come right here and draw basically the bottom of a U. I'm going to come to the other side. And I'm just going to go ahead and connect it with a curve. There, so nice and round. And so then from there, before we start the eyes, and because I have two strands of hair that's going over her eyes, I'm going to go ahead and draw that first. But if you're using a pencil, go ahead and come in here and draw her eyes first. Okay, so I'm going to imagine this kind of like an oval. So I'm going to say about right here in the center, I'm going to give myself a point. And from that point, I'm going to go ahead and draw two strands of hair. That comes down. It's going to come past her face right there, and I'm going to come right back here and thicken it up. So same thing over here. Just right in that area. And connect it. There. Okay, so now that we have that in, bring this up a little bit more, we're going to come right to where we started, and in this area I'm going to draw a circle for the eye. So I'm just going to try my best to imagine the circle right here overlapped by the strand of hair. So once again, if you're using a pencil, draw the eye in first. Okay, so we have the circle in, kind of. So about right here, same thing, right towards the edge. So this strand, probably won't see the other side of the eye. So it just depends on where you put your strand. Okay, so then from there, let's come in here, and I'm still going to put in try my best right here to put in two circles for highlights to make them Drastic Cute eyes, and a curved line at the bottom. And I'm going to shade the rest in. So it all depends on where your strand ends up being when you're drawing it, how much of your eye that you're going to cover. Okay, so on this side, same thing. So thank you so much for all the love that you gave me for my Visco girl, and then all the requests to draw an e-girl. So hopefully you guys loved this e-girl as much as the Visco girl that I drew. And thank you for introducing me to these kind of girls. I didn't know there was all these names out there. Okay, so there, I'm just gonna pop a little indication there. Okay, so then let's come over here and we're gonna give her that signature eyeliner right here, kind of like a cat eye. So it's just gonna be a darkened eyeliner right here, so it's kind of one lash, kind of like that. And then I'm come to the top right here, and let's give her her eyebrow. So about right here, slight angle, come down and thicken it up. So same thing over here. And come down. And then let's give her a cute little smile right in the center. So say about right here. Smirk, smile, and cap it off. And of course, we gotta give her a little heart right underneath her eye. Right there and here. There. She's definitely an e-girl now, right? Okay, so then now that we have that done, let's come to the side where her eyes are, and we're going to draw her ears. So we come right here, pop out a curve, and 2 curves inside for details. So same thing over here. Curve, and 2 curves for details. And then let's finish off the rest of her face. So I'm just going to bring this curve up. And so about right here, I'm going to finish off her face. So same thing over here. There. Okay, so then now let's come to the center, and we're going to imagine her hair is parting right in the center. So about right here, I'll give myself a point. I'm going to go up on both sides, break this parting line down, and then we're going to start right here at the ear, and we're going to go ahead and connect it. There. So same thing on this side. It's almost like it reminds me of drawing Harley Quinn. Okay, so connect it. And then let's see here. Let's come in here and give her some clips right here on her hair. So I'm going to add 2 of them. So I'm just going to kind of like drawing ovals. And the center. And 1 more. And same thing over here. So I'm just trying my best to add all the details that makes her an e-girl. So hopefully you guys, I've gotten everything, and if I don't, please let me know in the comments below. And let's see here, let's draw some parting lines. And then let's come up here and give her her half ponytail, right, pigtail. So about right here, I'm going to add a little band. Come down for her hair. And same thing over here. Little band. And come down with strand. Okay, so I'll finish the rest of her hair later. We have to work on her body first. So let's come to the center, and I'm gonna give her kind of like a turtleneck. So right in the center, about right here. And I'm just gonna kind of wobble a little bit and then connect it. And then let's give her her shoulders. And then I'm going to add a little collar for her shirt right here. And I'm going to imagine her armpits, so about right here. Give myself 2 points. And from there, I'm going to draw a very slight angle line. Not too much, because she's wearing kind of like an oversized shirt too, right? Like a big shirt. And so then from there, I'm going to bring this down more. And I'm going to go ahead and connect this part. So it curves in right here. And okay, so now let's bring this down a little bit more for her shirt. And I'm going to round it off because it's tucked in with a belt. So I'm going to go ahead and connect it right here. Then let's give her a little belt. And connect it once again. And then now her skirt. So I'm going to flare out a little skirt that comes out. And let's poof it out a little bit. Do a little curve. And about right there, I'll stop and come in here. And I'm just going to zigzag some pleats in here for her skirt. I'm going across. and connect. And then let's draw her legs since we're down here. And I'm going to come to the center once again and just draw 2 angle lines. Hip area, about right there. And so let's work on this leg first. I'm going to bring it all the way down, getting thinner as we go down. So then about right there, we're going to start to draw her shoe. So it's going to straighten out, and then it's going to flare out a little bit. And then at the bottom right here, just go ahead and connect it. So same thing over here. There. Okay, so then now for some details. Let's see here. About right here, I'm going to cut it off for her boots. Then maybe several layers of socks. And for some details on her boots, the bottom, the top, and 2 curves on the side, and laces. So same thing on the other side. If I'm going too fast, please pause the video. It's the same thing on the other side. And socks. There. And then even with the socks, we can add some high stockings here as well. It's just all up to you how you want to dress your e-girl. Okay, so then from there, let's come and draw her sleeves. So they're pretty, once again, pretty big t-shirt. So I'm going to come, sleeves are going to be pretty long, and connect. Same thing over here. There. And then I'm just going to simplify her arms. So let's just tuck it right in here. So let's imagine her shoulder coming down. So about right here. Let's just tuck in her arm, and about right here, connect it. And small indication of her hands. So same thing here. So about right here. And her hands. There. Okay, so then now for some details. Let's come to the belt area. Just add some details right here. And we definitely have to give her some chains, right? So let's see about right here. I'm going to add very lightly a little loop. Oops. Okay, and then maybe another one that comes right here. And one that comes all the way over here. And let's give this one maybe a little heart right here, decoration. There. Okay, and then some lines here. You can bring these up. And then the top right here. So this is kind of like a turtleneck. So we can, and her sleeve, her shirt has a collar. And right here, I'm going to give her some stripes on her sleeves. Since I have my black Sharpie. Okay, and then so for some graphics on her shirt, I'm going to make it a heart. So I'm going to come right here in the center, like a rock and roll heart, and add some wings. Hopefully you love this graphics. If not, just come up with your own. I was trying my best to find some kind of heart that was rock and roll, so hopefully I got this right. I'm going to add a little box behind it. And you can draw some crease lines right here for some details. Oh, and then her hair, of course, I almost forgot. Okay, so then let's bring this down. I was missing something. Let's see here. Just gonna draw this one strand right here for her half pigtail. And same thing over here. And then let's finish off the rest of her hair. So from there, I'm just going to tuck in, let's say about right here, the rest of her hair. So come right here and tuck it in. So there, hopefully I have all the elements to that makes her an e-girl, and I got it all right. And you love how she turned out, and it inspires you to draw it too. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.